Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, today has been a very busy and hectic day. A lot of stuff is happening. And no, I ain't got my haircut yet, but I'm about to go just as soon as I get through with this video and get a haircut. The Republicans are making a counter offer right now on the stimulus package that Nancy Pelosi introduced. They say it's a wish list of her wants. They are taking out cannabis, funding for cannabis, funding for undocumented workers. First of all, they're breaking the law by being here and working. Now we're going to pay them too. Tax breaks, arts and humanities. They're taking these things out with their counter offer. Nancy Pelosi said today her and Steve Mnuchin are still talking, and they are coming up to terms on a price tag for the next stimulus package. She also said it will be a bipartisan agreement, but they are working on the language in the bill. Y'all, we all know by now that Donald Trump and the First Lady has tested positive for COVID. They are asymptomatic. The chances of them getting sick are low, but the chance is still there, and it's very serious. There is rumor that Donald Trump is beginning to feel the effects. He is feeling lethargic, and he fell asleep on Air Force One, and they said he normally don't do that. Right now, we know Steve Mnuchin is negative. We know Nancy Pelosi is negative. But that being said, Nancy Pelosi and Donald Trump has not made any contact. But the people that has made contact with Donald Trump has made contact with Nancy Pelosi. Mike Pence and his family has not made contact with Donald Trump, but Mike Pence's family has made contact with Donald Trump's family, so there is a connection there. Let's just hope and pray they all are okay. Even the ones that you don't really care for, like, you know, I don't care for Nancy Pelosi, but I pray she'll be okay. Y'all, think about this, and may God help us. If President Trump is not able to perform his duties, it will fall on Mike Pence. Well, if Mike Pence gets COVID from being around his family, which were around Donald Trump's family, and he can't perform his duties as president, then Nancy Pelosi will be our president. May God help us. Y'all give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, tell me what you think about Nancy Pelosi as a president, and let's all say a prayer for every one of them. I love you all. Until the next time, ciao.